Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope so you all are safe and sound by the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 3, Mr. Razali's Day, page number 6. As it is quite clear from the topic that in this lesson we are going to know about Mr. Raza Ali's day, how Mr. Razali spent his day. Okay, but one thing, have you ever noticed how you spend your day and how your other family members spend their days, how your friends spend their day, how your teacher spend his or her day? Have you ever noticed? No. So this is the period, this is a time period, or you can say that this is the time you are having to notice. When you wake up, after waking up, what do you do? What are your activities? After that, what do you do? After that, you may have your breakfast, and after that, how do you spend your days nowadays, right? Same is the case with your father. He wake up early in the morning to offer his prayers, right? After that, he get ready for the get ready for his job or his work. After that, he do his breakfast and he leave for his job. In evening, he return back from his job and have uh, supper or may supper. Right after that, you all your family sit together for the dinner, and after that, after having dinner, you go to your bed, right? But the thing, have you ever asked your father what he do during the hours of his job, of his work? कि वो जो 8 से 5 या 9 से 5 का जो टाइम है जो वो बाहर स्पेंड करते हैं, उन घंटों में उनकी क्या एक्टिविटी है? हैव यू एवर आस्क योर फादर अबाउट दैट? मैं कभी अपने बाबा से पूछा? नो. सो आज का टाइम है, from this lesson you are gonna ask your father about his activities. Okay, same is the case with the mother. आपकी मामा सारा दिन क्या करती हैं? सुबह सुबह उठती हैं, नमाज़ पढ़ती हैं, आप सबको उठाती हैं नमाज के लिए, राइट? उसके बाद फिर आप सबका नाश्ता बनाना होता है उन्होंने ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, राइट? उसके बाद आप लोगों को नहला धो के आप लोगों के अच्छे कपड़े बना के अच्छा बच्चा बनाना होता है, राइट? सो our mother's life is a quite tough, but a mother also spend her day according to your activities, according to your father's activities, right? Same is the case with the other members of your family, how they spend their day, how your grandparents spend their day, right? Have you ever noticed how your teachers spend their days? Have you ever noticed? So just recall your mind and think how a teacher spent his or her day. Okay? As a teacher, if I talk about myself, I wake up early in the morning at round about 4 o'clock a.m. to offer Fajr prayer. After that, I do recitation of the Holy Quran, and I have some gap between school timing. After reciting the Holy Quran, I leave for the morning walk. After returning from the morning walk, I check out my stuff which I have to take with me to the school. After that, after checking my stuff, I take a bath and have my breakfast. Okay, after having my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. or 7:35 a.m., I leave for school because at 7:45 I have to be in school. So when I reach in school, the day as a teacher, my day as a teacher has started then. The first thing that I have to do is I have to just check out my plannings, my schedule, that in which sections today I am going to interact and what I am going to teach and with what worksheets we are going to move on. Okay, so this is all. As a teacher, I spend my day in a school. After off time, when I return back to my home, I say Zohar prayer. After offering Zohar prayer, I have a short sleep. After waking up, I there's a time for the namaz asr. After that, I have tea with my mother and tea. Then the time between asr and maghrib is the time when I read out my books. So after Maghrib namaz, I go to kitchen and prepare dinner for the family. That's my duty. So when everyone has done with their dinner, I just take out, collect the dishes and wash them. And after that, I say Isha prayers and have some time with my family members, my brothers and sisters, because that's the time when we all are together. Okay, after having a small cup shop, we go to our bed, we go to sleep. That's my routine. So every person in this society has his or her day. अगर हम शॉपकीपर को देखते हैं, तो शॉपकीपर जो है वो भी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग उठता है, राइट, अपनी शॉप खोलता है, अपनी दुकान को खोलता है, फिर सारा दिन वहीं पे गुजार देता है क्योंकि वो उसका काम होता है, और फिर रात को आफ्टर some of the shopkeeper closes shop after Maghrib or some close there after Isha, right? But most of the fast food restaurants are open till late at night, right? Same is the case with the other persons like peon, right? Every person from a kid to a elder person in this society, he is spending his or her day according to his activity, his life. Okay, now coming towards the topic, lesson number 3, Mr. Raza Ali's day. अब हम मिस्टर रज़ा अली के बारे में पढ़ने लगे कि वो अपने दिन कैसे स्पेंड करते हैं. सो look at page number 6. This is Mr. Raza Ali. He works as a manager in a bank. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि उन्होंने मिस्टर रज़ा अली को दिखाया गया है एंड उनके काम का बता रहे हैं कि वो एज अ मैनेजर एक बैंक में काम करते हैं. मिस्टर रज़ा अली वेक्स अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. मिस्टर रज़ा अली जो है वो सुबह सवेरे उठ जाते हैं. ही से हिज प्रेयर, वो अपनी नमाज अदा करते हैं. ही हैज़ ब्रेकफास्ट 7 AM. 7 AM पे वो अपना ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. ही गोज़ टू वर्क, काम पे जाते हैं एट 7:30 AM. ही स्टार्ट हिज वर्क, वो अपना काम स्टार्ट करते हैं 8:30 AM पे. ही हैज़ लंच, और वो लंच ब्रेक इंजॉय करते हैं 1:30 PM पे. आफ्टर दैट ही गोज़ होम, वो घर वापस आते हैं एट 5 PM. ही हैज़ टी एट 5:45 PM, और 5:45 PM पे मतलब शाम के टाइम वो अपनी चाय लेते हैं. ही गोज़ फॉर अ वॉक, वो शाम की सैर के लिए जाते हैं एट 6:30 PM. आफ्टर दैट ही हैज़ डिनर 8 o'clock, कि वो 8 बजे अपना डिनर करते हैं अपनी सारी फैमिली के साथ. ही गोज़ टू बेड एट 10 PM, और वो 10 बजे अपने बिस्तर पे चले जाते हैं. ऑन संडे, इतवार को, मिस्टर रज़ा डज नॉट वर्क. मिस्टर रज़ा जो है वो काम नहीं करता. ऑन संडे एवरी पर्सन इज एन्जॉय हॉलीडे. सारे वेदर यू, वेदर आई, whoever is the person, हर बंदे को संडे वाला दिन छुट्टी होती है, राइट? सो not a single person work on Sunday. he stays at home, वो घर पे रहते हैं, and spend time with his family, और अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. इन द इवनिंग, शाम में, ही गोज़ आउट विद देम, वो उनके साथ बाहर जाते हैं. समटाइम्स दे गो टू अ पार्क, बाज़ों का शादो नाजर वो पार्क में भी सैर करने चल जाते हैं. सेम इज़ द केस कि संडे को आप लोगों ने भी वीक में अपने मम्मा पापा से प्रॉमिस लिया होगा कि अपने संडे को हमें यहाँ लेके जाना है या वहाँ लेके जाना है या नानों के घर जाएंगे, राइट. एंड इफ़ यू आर लिविंग सेपरेटली, तो आप या तो कभी दादू के घर चले जाते हो या नानों के घर चले जाते हो, राइट. सो एवरी पर्सन हैव सम प्लान्स फॉर संडे, राइट. थैंक यू.